Hello guys, this is Venu. Welcome back to my channel, Charts with Venu. Today I want to talk about one mistake that I made in my silver trade. I'm not making this video to show the profit or loss on this trade. I want to show you where my analysis was right, but where my risk management and all it went wrong. So this is purely for learning purpose and all. There is no buy or sell recommendation in this video, so keep these things in mind. So firstly, let me explain about the setup. This is a silver setup I was looking at. The price action setup was good, and I had very good conviction to take the trade personally on this silver trade. But one thing I did differently here was the SL placement. Why particularly I'm talking about this stop loss is, looking back, the correct place for my SL was, let me draw the trend line. I mean, on what price action setup that I have taken the trade in this silver trade is, this is the setup. This is the setup that I have seen in this silver trade. Yeah, yeah, uh, yeah. It make some sense. Yeah, okay. This is where I have taken the entry personally. And the same trade I have posted in my Telegram channel also. But one thing I didn't mention in my channel is like, personally I'm taking this trade, these things and all I haven't mentioned, because most people what they do is, they will try to take entries because of, I already am entered in this trade, right? So I didn't mention all these things and all. I just posted this trade with the strike price of 2,30,000 strike price. I have given the call at here with the stop loss of uh, entry. It's like around somewhere in the options trade. Okay, that doesn't matter. But the stop loss I kept it here below below this below this swing low. I kept my stop loss below this swing low. Actually, the actual stop loss has to kept here. Instead of, I kept my stop loss here. So what happened? So after making some low lows, it just came down for a support and just retraced it from here, and it all the way it went to 2,35,000. Actually, the SL should kept below this trend line, which is more valid trend line, valid stop loss. So instead of that, I kept my SL at a tighter level here. So, so the mistake on the chart is, and this is where the difference it happened on this silver trade. My stop loss got hit, and after that, the silver rallied almost 3%, which is 7,200 points. So the problem was not really the setup. The problem was my SL placement was the mistake. What I did in this trade. So this is exactly why I wanted to make the video. Um, then I will explain the gold and the silver volatility, guys. Most of the commodity traders, what they do is they simply just jump into the trade because of some news or some mediocre patterns they will draw on the chart, and they will take the entries based on their own conception. So it doesn't work in commodities. Why? Because there are more important things that I want to everyone to understand, especially those who are trading in commodities like gold or silver and all. Um, See, gold and silver they move very aggressively, especially around major US economic data. Most people they don't follow all these things. They simply just enter and exit the trades as usually how they trade in Indian markets like Nifty, Bank Nifty, or stock options kind of things and all. So you cannot trade them exactly like you trade a normal equity stock, right? So day before yesterday, what happened? The US job data was much weaker than expected. I hope you guys all read this news. So the non-farm payrolls came in at around negative of 23,000 jobs against the expectations was around 80k plus. So the previous months were revised lower by another 1 lakh 3,000 jobs. These are the news that came around there. That is the news, real only. So the market then reduced the expectations of Fed rate hikes because gold and silver trades are more volatile based on the Fed rate hikes. That kind of shift can support gold and silver because the lower the interest rates, the expectations can put pressure on yields and the dollar, which is more positive for gold and silver. So when you combine the strong price action along with the commodity volatility plus major US data, the move can be very sharp. That is what it happened in this gold and silver trade. So yeah, that also one reason that I didn't announce my personal silver entry in the group. I don't want someone to blindly copy my trade without understanding the volatility and the risk involvement in this trade, especially. Uh, and one more thing, you guys see. Based on my real experience, I just wanted to share few things with you guys on this video. I heard somewhere this quote, like one of the guy that he is saying, I think he has more than 10 plus years of experience in the market, and he is saying, eat like a hen, grow like an elephant. Really a good middle, see, it's a very good thing. What he's trying to say is, there is a one line that I really like is, he said clearly, like, eat like a hen and grow like an elephant. That means don't try to make huge profits from one single trade. Take small, maintain consistent gains, protect your capital, and let those small gains compound over time, guys. Usually what people do is they just wanted to become rich in one single trade, where it doesn't happen. Not even for me, even for Warren Buffett also, it can't happen. So you don't need a 50% or 100% returns from every trade. If you consistently trade with good setups and manage your risk properly, that small wins can eventually become some big profits one day. So here, patience and conviction more important, guys, and discipline also. Training is not about catching every big move, right? So it's about surviving long enough to participate in the next one. So usually people, what they do is, they want to trade every day. They want to jump into every stock and every index wherever they have access in, like commodities. They have access. They will jump into commodities, and they just wanted to trade in gold, silver, copper, and crude oil. In index also, in nowadays, you guys already heard the recent cash system closing auction session they bring out into the SEBI has brought these things and all, and people are not aware of all these things, and they are just trying to enter into the index options, and they are losing more money because not only because of the time decay, and but also the closing auction session is bit more complicated thing, what I feel, guys. That's why recent times I was not posting more index options in my channel. Right, most probably I was trading, even with my members, I was trading personally with the stock options instead of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we skipped. We don't want to give our earnest money to the market back. That's one thing. And before closing this video, I just wanted to say something. A good setup is not enough, guys. Your stop loss has to respect the structure of the trade. Yeah, that is what I'm just going to tell you guys in this video. Yeah, here. So understand the stock or the commodities character first to understand its volatility, and then decide your position size and SL accordingly. Not just because of making profits. Don't just jump into the trade before taking any trade. Just try to understand your risk, understand the trade which you are taking, at what time frame you are trading, and just understand the characteristics of those metal or something. Yeah, I made this mistake, guys. I'm sharing it because I want you guys to learn from it. Don't chase big gains. Focus on good setups, small consistent gains, proper risk management, and patience. Yeah, that's how you grow in the markets. That is what I used to say with my members in the community or in my paid group. These things I usually say with my members: stick with your stop loss, always maintain your position size in the trade, and I do all these things. So, final one thing that I just wanted to say: the market will always gives you another opportunity, guys. So, meanwhile, your job is to protect the capital, so you are ready to take it another trade tomorrow. Yeah, that is what I used to say. And one more chart I just wanted to show you guys is gold. Uh, I just felt regret because of missing this trade. See, what a setup, guys. But I missed this trade because I don't know why and how I missed this trade. Later on I realized that, oh wow, see, it took almost around 190 days, how can I say, like 4 months it took to form this pattern. The regret is not about missing this trade, but see, these setups are come once in a while. You have to capture and you have to utilize these opportunities. So yeah, I have a regret on missing this gold trade. That's it. If anyone interested on these commodities and all, please like and subscribe this video, and also follow my telegram channel where I used to post more interesting chart patterns and educational content, where you guys never seen something that in the social media or some other channels. Yeah, I bring with more interesting and good stuff into the channel. So if you guys like this video, just do comment and share it and support the channel. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you again. Yeah, thank you.